Hey everyone, want to use ElevenLabs for YouTube videos? ElevenLabs makes it easy to create professional AI voiceovers for tutorials, documentaries, explainer videos, shorts, faceless channels, and much more. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for YouTube videos in 2026. So let's get started. First, write your YouTube script before opening ElevenLabs. Organize it into short paragraphs, use natural punctuation, and proofread everything carefully. A well-written script produces much better AI narration. Next, open the text-to-speech section in ElevenLabs. Paste your script, choose an AI voice from the voice library or your own saved voices, and click Generate to create your narration. Now customize the voice settings. Adjust options like stability, style, similarity, or speed if they're available for your selected voice and model. Generate a few short samples until you're happy with the sound. Once you're satisfied with the narration, download the generated audio. Import it into your favorite video editor. Add your visuals, background music if you have the rights to use it, subtitles, and transitions to complete your YouTube video. ElevenLabs works well for many types of YouTube content. You can create tutorials, educational videos, documentaries, product reviews, storytelling videos, podcasts, and YouTube shorts using the same workflow. Before uploading your video, review the narration one last time. Make sure your audio is clear, your visuals match the voiceover, and your content provides real value to viewers. High-quality, original content is more important than simply using AI tools. For the best results, keep your narration natural, split long scripts into smaller sections, maintain the same voice throughout a series, and always create original content. AI-generated voices can support monetized YouTube channels, but success depends on originality, creativity, and compliance with YouTube's policies. And that's how to use ElevenLabs for YouTube videos in 2026. Whether you're creating tutorials, shorts, documentaries, or faceless videos, ElevenLabs can help you produce professional quality voiceovers quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.